Hello guys, I'm here back and I want to time machine 3 stars. It's gonna be hard, but let's go. Oh shit, bro. Okay, first attempt. It's gone. Yeah, my 2 attempt. Shit. Okay, third attempt. For me is the mid kind very hard. I don't know why, but yeah, it's kinda hard. And yeah, actually I one time did it, but really close, and oh shit, and then I'm dying. Yeah. Oh my god. Bro. We're not the best, but today I have less processing. But yeah, actually I can blast processing. I one time died in 2096. Yeah, and I'm dying. Please, to it. Oh, come on, bro. I don't know why it's so hard, but I'm almost dying in the second. I have an idea. I don't do the third coin because yeah, I don't know why, but first I do the second and then I do the third. Oh my god, bro. I'm tapping. I have right my temp. Look if I do something wrong and if geometry dash something wrong. Bro. Time machine, it trouble spikes. Is kidding really, but yeah. I don't know why is the second coin so hard for me. Actually, yeah, but oh come on, bro. I just don't get it in. How many attempts I do, I cannot bring that shit in. How, bro? What the bro? I don't wanna give up, bro, because I'm really close, and I don't know why I'm every time dying, but yeah. I even like this shit, but I need to do, and yeah. Yeah, I have the second coin. Yes. Please, let me, what the but I'm tapping this. Come on! Oh, shit, bro. Come on, bro. Why? Why I cannot do that? Time machine is even not so hard, but when I want the coins, it's too hard. I don't know why. Okay, let's go. When I do practice mode, the second one coin is going every time in. But if I do not practice, it's go every time in the spikes. Oh, I don't want this. I don't know how, but am I something wrong or... Yeah, but I don't know what I need to do to have this. But we'll see. I hope I can this day or today. Anyone knows? Come on. Yeah, I have, good. Yes. Dun, dun, dun. What the fuck? No way, bro. No way. How this can be? No, bro. But I do not more so attempts. I cannot more. I don't know why I don't do that, but yeah. Guys, I have not more, bro. Can't even do that. I'm right now in my 15th attempt. I'm really can do every time in 41, 60. I know what I need to do. We do something without time machine. Okay guys, thank you for this video. I hope you have a good day and yeah, bye bye.